about the way you stare into my eyes.
What's up, guys? So I'm here with Geeta Hair. It says 100% human hair on the packaging. This is the wig we're gonna get into today. So let's see what we got. So obviously got the wig, and then inside of the packaging get this little like booklet. Got a pair of HD wig caps, and in terms of goodies, this is all that really, this and the wig cap. So this is branded Geeta Hair. All right, and that's everything in today's package. Is what I got here today is this gorgeous curly wig. Oh my gosh, it is so full. This is a nice kinky curly wig. All right, and oh my gosh, it's actually a 6x4.5 HD lace closure wear and go wig. All right, and I don't know, so wear and go around the place like hot bread. Okay, they're very convenient, glueless, completely glueless, very beginner friendly. You know, it takes no time to install. Look at this lace, it's already customized for you guys, so you don't have to really worry or stress about that. It's already pre-plucked, it's pre-cut and pre-plucked for you guys as well. This is also 18 inches long, okay, in case you guys are wondering, and the density is 250%, and I can tell you that it definitely is giving that. Very full, you can't see through the hair, like it's doing what it's supposed to do. Like it's not stringy, it's full to the tip. Like it's a 1B natural color. Curl pattern is beautiful. I can tell when I get this what it's gonna be so gorgeous. And yeah, as I said, it is pre-plucked, so that looks amazing. All right, so the fact that it's a 6x4.5 lace closure means it's a little bit more wide, so you could get a side part in this, you could do your center part, you know, so you could have fun with that. Totally forgot to show you, but the inside of the cap looks like this, guys. It's a dome cap, and it has a total of 3 combs on the inside. There's no adjustable strap in the back, but they do have this elastic band that's adjustable, and this is where the wig really helps in terms of you not having to apply any adhesive. This is what really helps to keep it on your head. So this piece of your glueless wig is very important. Even if you don't want to have combs, you don't have to. That's just for extra security. You can take it off if you wish, but like this is very important in your glueless lace wig, like very, very important. So as I say, it's adjustable. I adjusted mine to where I want it to be based on how I want it to fit, so you could do that based on how tight or loose you want it on your head. I like my wigs pretty snug, but not to the point where it's giving me a headache, you know, just very snug. So we're also going to do a shake test to show you guys how secure this makes your wig on your head. So let's go ahead and jump into this install. Okay, so oh my gosh, right off the bat, this is too gorgeous. Let's do this shake test. Let's do it. Look at that. It's not going nowhere. Nowhere. Okay, this is bomb. It in its dry state is just so gorgeous too. I love the way the hair falls. Like what? So you see the coverage in terms of how far the lace goes. It goes down to here, so it's definitely wider than your average lace closure wig. All right, your average 5x5, so that is a plus. You could get a nice side part from this, so I'm just demonstrating that to you. You could part it on the side. See that? If you run through these curls, it will get bigger. Like if you want to like run your fingers through it or brush them out, the hair will get bigger. All right, in terms of the meltdown of this lace, this is how it's looking. So I feel like at the very edge here, I could cut off just a little bit more off the front where it doesn't necessarily have any hair. That way we get rid of some of that cast in the very front. So this portion that I'm cutting off doesn't have any hair at all. You see that versus hair. So yeah, I just took off the excess right there. So let's go ahead and remove. Gorgeous, too gorgeous. What am I do? Oh my god, I can't believe no baby hair is needed. No soups, no nothing needed. I just have my natural hair on the side with my sideburns, that's it. But what I'm gonna do is get the hair wet and put a little bit of leave-in conditioner in there so I can define these curls some more and run through everything with my brush. So get this nice and defined and juicy. So let's do that. This looks too good. I'm gonna go over just the very edge with a little bit of my face powder though to have it even more melted, and I'm gonna tie it down to press it in.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sitting right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sitting right next to you.
This is a finished look. It looks so good, so full. 250% density. Yeah, they definitely did what they were supposed to. Like, you can't see through the wig, not one bit. It looks really healthy. The curls are nicely defined. By the way, I use water in combination with this leave-in conditioner, and the curls look amazing. It is completely glueless, no adhesive. It looks good. It looks really good. Like, very believable, very realistic, very beginner friendly. No baby hairs, no swoops needed. You literally can install this in a minute. Geeta Hair did their thing. Like, definitely I feel like this purchase would be a very lasting one because it feels like a durable wig. Like, the construction, everything is on 10. I love it. So you guys know, if you're interested in getting this wig, it will be listed in my description box, the direct link, as well as all the specifications. So go ahead, check that out. Also, if I have any discount code, anything like that, it will be listed as well. Shout out to Geeta Hair once more. That's it for today's wig look, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next